In this tutorial, caregivers will learn step by step how to keep a loved one's living space both clean and safe. A well-maintained environment doesn't just look good, it helps prevent accidents, reduces illness, and creates peace of mind for you as a caregiver. The first step is to remove clutter. Walkways should stay clear of shoes, cords, or piles of papers. Walkways should be clear, no shoes, cords, or piles of magazines on the floor. Use baskets or bins to organize essentials. This reduces fall risks and makes items easy to find. A quick daily 5-minute tidy can make a huge difference. Next, attention should be given to high-touch surfaces. Light switches, doorknobs, phones, and remote controls can hold germs. Wiping them down daily with a gentle disinfectant helps protect vulnerable immune systems. In the kitchen, safety and cleanliness go hand in hand. Expired foods should be removed promptly. Spoiled items can cause illness if overlooked. Wiping counters after each meal keeps surfaces free of bacteria and makes the kitchen a safer, more welcoming space. The bathroom is the most common place for falls. Safety can be improved with non-slip mats, sturdy grab bars near the toilet and tub, and bright lighting for clear visibility. In the bedroom, the goal is comfort and safe movement. A clear path to the bathroom reduces nighttime fall risks. A nightstand should hold essentials like water, tissues, a lamp, and a phone. Dusting shelves and washing bedding every few weeks keeps allergens low. Air quality improves with clean filters, open windows, or the use of air purifiers. A simple checklist for daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning creates consistency. This routine prevents overwhelm and ensures nothing important gets overlooked. Download our free cleaning checklist in description below for more tips and information.